Okay, now we are in the apartment area already. So this is like one of the subway entrance. As you can see, it's located right next to the entrance, so it's really convenient. Right there is Sapporo station. It's really good area. It's a high-rise building. And of course there's like a 7-Eleven here. So if you live in this place, it will be really convenient. You want to grab some beer or some onigiri, you can just go downstairs and grab one from here. Well, here's the entrance. As you can see, some people just get in with the pad. Oh, it's really a tall building. So let's check the inside. The lobby looks amazing. And here's like the auto lock gate, so only the tenant can enter with the code. The lobby looks really amazing. All right, here's the lobby area. Oh, is it a real fireplace? No, it doesn't give up any heat. So here's like a trunk room, so you can store your stuff outside. And I think this is the emergency exit. This is amazing.
After you know that too.
That's amazing. So here's the balcony. Here's the scenery from the balcony. This is the 35th floor. We also have like the space. Oh. Oh, that's the dishwasher.
I have a dishwasher. So wait, how do I use it then?
Yeah, I think there should be a button around here.
Oh, is this it, you mean? This is the dishwasher thing.
Oh yeah, or is it? Oh, I think this is the dishwasher.
Yeah.
This is the first time I see an apartment with a dishwasher in Japan, you know.
That's very exciting to see.
Yeah. And here's the bedroom. So in the bedroom, there's like another heater. Excuse me?
The cupboard here.
Oh, the cupboard.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the cupboard. Yeah, you can put a lot of, spices here, plates. And this is the place where you put your fridge.
So.
For the microwave. Here's the heater. And here's the bathroom area. Place to put your washing machine. There's like a hanger.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's incredible.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the toilet. See, it's like a new model.
Mm.
Oh, there's like it's like the one inside the airplane, you know.
Oh yeah.
This toilet with bidet.
Oh yeah. This would be a steal of a price.
Steal or price?
So like if this was like a city in America, and I found an apartment like this for $1,200 a month, I would think it was a scam. I'm very impressed is like an understatement.
Oh, all right.
This is like probably one of the best places I've seen in like my life too.
Nice.
And that's where the breaker is too.
Yeah, that's the breaker.
Wow. It's in a cool spot actually.
There's the shoebox. The breaker is there actually.
Yeah, I was surprised that it's there.
And here's the intercom.